Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is watermelon, and we'll be making kids watermelon fizz and summer melon salad with goat cheese and pine nuts. Joining me in our Morris Black Kitchen is Dr. Jamie Avellini from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Anthony Bonett. So let's get started.
Thank you. People are very intimidated by cutting watermelons. I think it's best to cut it in half or quarters. Sometimes you buy halves or quarters. Just go ahead and peel down.
What's good about watermelon?
Watermelon's such a great food. It's 90% water, but it does have vitamin C and vitamin A, which helps with your child or your immune system, helps with your hair and your skin, and all that development, especially when you're younger. So it could be a great alternative in the summer to juices or sodas for your children. Just give them a little piece of watermelon, and they'll help keep them hydrated.
That's a great idea because they are sweet. So
They
instead of a juice box
Exactly.
or a diet soda, you can just snack on watermelon.
So we got it pared down a little bit. We're going to cut it up. If you want to give me the blender, so we'll take some of our bigger pieces for the salad. I think nice cubes.
Nowadays, there are a lot of watermelons you can get with this without the seeds. You don't have to worry about your child swallowing it.
And I love these recipes because when you buy a watermelon, it's like so overwhelming. There's so much of it, but you're using quite a bit of it in these recipes.
Exactly.
Okay.
And watermelon's so good for your skin.
It really
your
is.
teeth.
Yeah. One thing you want to make sure is that your child doesn't have a reaction, so you want to introduce it. You could introduce it as early as 6 months.
Okay.
So you introduce it slowly, one food a day for about 2 to 3 days. Continue introducing it every day.
Okay.
And then you could start combining with other things like tomatoes or other fruits and vegetables.
Okay, we're putting lime juice. We're going to put a little bit of lime zest. Okay.
This will be really flavorful with the
Yeah, the
with
zest
lime
adds a
juice.
nice little color
Yeah.
and a little flavor to it. Okay, and we're going to put a little sugar.
I know when
Yeah,
I was
you can-
pregnant, I loved having watermelon.
Oh,
it was just so
yeah.
hydrating.
It
So it's
really
also
is.
good for prenatal.
Oh, absolutely. And you can eat in high volumes because it's mostly water. So you can sit there and eat a quarter of a watermelon and have very little calories.
Right.
Pulse up a little bit, just get it going. Okay. Once it's going, you're just going to let it run. And I think that's good. Back to our salad. We have heirloom tomatoes. Heirloom tomatoes are great in the summertime. You can cut just nice big chunks. Works great. The rest of this dish is really just simple ingredients, herbs. We put some oregano, we put some chives.
Would you recommend
Okay.
giving your child herbs, different flavors?
Oh, absolutely. The earlier the better, especially in helping them develop their palate. Like we said before, you want to do things one at a time to make sure that they tolerate it. They don't have any adverse side effects.
Basil and tomatoes goes great together. We have some pine nuts, like a little white balsamic, extra virgin olive oil.
And what are we
That's
adding
nice.
to this watermelon fizz?
Okay, we have some ginger ale soda. We have a natural ginger ale.
And I guess you could omit the ginger ale if
If you,
don't
yeah,
like
or
the
your
carbonation.
seltzer.
Or seltzer if you don't want the sugar.
yeah, my son would love this recipe.
Mine too.
Okay.
And for our salad, we're going to finish with fennel flavored goat cheese here. Grab a sprig of basil there. We'll put a little basil on top.
Sure. These look great. So let's start with the watermelon
Nice
fizz.
light refreshing.
Why don't we
Let's take some
try-
watermelon and
Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm so sorry. Tasty.
That's nice.
Yeah, the lime
Yeah.
zest is great. Yeah.
Okay, I
very
can't wait to
refreshing.
taste
I
the
know.
salad. So here's
Thank you again. Some goat cheese. Okay, it's really good, isn't it?
You made a fantastic salad.
Delicious.